Fairy Tale The Queens and the Brave Friend Sun by Javier Ramos. In a beautiful sunny day, with a wonderful rainbow and color forests with different animals that live happy with their bird, Queen Anna, known as Sweet Bird. She is very lovely but strict with the animals to keep the peace and equality. All the animals respect and love her. While she gathers, there is a lot of harmony and peace and enough food for all. But there is another bird, the sister queen. She's named Ursula. She was aggressive, selfish, and wrongdoer. She always was selfish with her older sister, the queen, for her position in the animal society and power. My sweet sister, you should give me the throne. I'll do the best role. You look like tiger, Ursula said. Not Ursula. You know the tradition, and I feel excellent every day. You can help me with the little kids in the forest to protect them. Sweet Queen answered. She left hungry. Ursula doesn't bear that her older sister had the authority and the kingdom. But one day, Ursula, full of rage, decides to poison the Sweet Queen, little by little. This kingdom will be mine, Ursula said and laughed. When in the forest the animal began to know that the queen lost her strength every day and her growth is weak. They cheered up Ursula. Her purpose is to poison the queen, that it is about to happen and she will be the new queen, because the rule said when the queen dies or becomes sick while returned healthy, one of the royalty gets her position. Ursula didn't wait for more, and the next day she met all the animals, read the rule, and proclaimed herself queen. I am the queen, and you have to obey me, said Ursula. Everybody in the forest was surprised and scared, because they knew the Ursula's cruelty and the new queen. All the animals get united to pray to God for the sweet bird health, and she got better soon. Only 3 days in the kingdom, and the queen ordered that the animals can eat more than once a day, and only can eat the rotten fruit and drink once a day. In the next 8 days, all the animals came sick and ill-fed for eating rotten food. And the queen ate the best with her soldiers, and a lot of animals died. The forest becomes lovely, sick, and sad. One day, it was a hawk, a very square son, the best Sweet Queen friend, was hiding in the kitchen looking for food, and saw the evil Queen Ursula preparing the soup for her sister, and she added poison. With this is the end of my sister, said Ursula. Sam was afraid, but he thought a great plan. When I will be alone, I'll throw the poison out and add vitamins in the same can, said Sam. That helped the Sweet Queen to be healthy again. Day by day, Ursula, without know, was giving the medicine to her sister. The Sweet Queen was taking first her little friend Sam. tried to avoid the wars and succeeded to enter in the Sweet Queen room. "My beauty queen, I saw your sister add poison on your soup. She wants to kill you and get your throne," said Sam. She feared being sick to recover soon and sent a message to the kingdom. "My faithful friend, go and tell all in the kingdom that we have to be united and fight against the Devil Queen," said Sweet Queen. They worked 2-3 days, and the Sweet Queen with her friends won. The Queen returned to the crown and governs with justice and peace. All the animals were happy, and the Queen recognized the bravery and courage of her friends and gave the lesson: the evilness never will be the winner, and the good always right. Thanks for hearing this fairy tale.